Hallo.
Hello.
We are in a slightly grey, rainy Hamburg, and Sam is being the guide.
Ich bin einen Experten.
That, and just testing out this GoPro for its smoothness, supposedly. We're going to some theme parks this weekend, and we're going to go find some vegan hamburgers in Hamburg. Delicious.
Vincent vegan. Bitte die Schwanen nicht füttern.
We've checked into our room in the pretty weird and hipster place called Super Boot, and we're now going to go do an escape room because that's what we do.
Top 10 by the world.
Just had some dinner.
Spätzle.
We had some Spätzle, which is German pasta. It was really good. We did an escape room earlier that was probably one of the best we've done, if not the best. Amazing theming, some like such
amazing
cool tech.
secret passages.
Secret passages, loads of rooms, and you know, there was 2 of us, so it could have been really stressful, but it was actually really fun. And now we're going to the Miniature Museum.
Käsebrezel.
So, a cheese-coated pretzel.
Very good.
I've got some coffee. There you go.
Can you smell it from the camera?
And we're going on the bus to Heide Park. That was really intense, actually, in the rain particularly. So quite whippy and like really low to the ground stuff. It was really forceful, wasn't it? And it was super smooth. Probably best ride we've done so far.
I did enjoy Desert Race, actually.
The Desert Race was cool.
I love long.
The theming justifies this one way more. If it was just a normal dive coaster, it would be whatever. Look at that! Just before we were about to get on, they closed it for rain reasons, but we hung out for a bit and then they got it going again. But we weren't blown away by the back ride. It was really scary, the drop and stuff, but then the actual ride, the hills didn't really have much like throw to them. And then we rode it again, possibly after it warmed up, or I don't know, but we were further forward. We were like row 4 or something. And you felt much more thrown out of your seat by the bigger hills, which was really cool. Maybe just because we thought it was like very similar to El Toro, it would have El Toro vibes, but it didn't quite have
Never gonna be El Toro.
El Toro is probably our favourite coaster, and it just really feels like you're completely unsafe and you're going to be thrown out of your seat. And we didn't really feel like we were going to be thrown out of our seat in that, really. Guten Morgen. We're going to Hansa Park now. Heide Park yesterday. We did some more rides at the end, so we did...
Banana Museum.
just rode Carnan. It was. What do you think? You said you were more scared than on King Dakar. Yeah?
I'm still recovering.
Yeah, it was sick. There's so much that goes on in that ride. It's sort of the one that you don't want to spoil, but just come ride it. Hello.
Hi.
We've just ridden Carnan for the 3rd time. We did Pluv von Novgorod for the 3rd time before that as well. Sam wanted to do Highlander, which is the big tall tower thing, but there's a massive queue for it. But we wanted to do that again because it was just so cool. That's it. We've done the theme park. Bye Hansa Park and your janky wild mouse and your Gerschlauer obsession.